Alright, you guys. Alright, guys. Welcome back to Ralph's Garage. Today we're going to take care of this Trailblazer bumper here. This thing's a little poo-pooed. As you can see, I'm missing one of the brake ducts. So I got a new one of those. And then we're also going to take care of the crappy Trailblazer bumper corner mounts. So we're going to fix that up. Get this thing just generally on there better because it's just kind of poopy. And then I also have new headlights coming. Black housing ones. So we're going to pull this off. I'm going to rip this front end apart. And hopefully the UPS guy gets here with the new headlights around the right time.
Honestly, I don't know who the fuck to trust. Is he my friend or my foe? I'm off the exit, drove. Yeah, she give me that maybe as well. I remember back when I was younger, I was happy. Nowadays feel like no one understand me. I'm good at artists, silly on block, Bambi. Baby's yellow, text. She wanna eat me like candy. Running through racks, track me. I run up the racks like an athlete. Big facts, you're the dick, 6 flags. Ballin' like think facts, told her I love her. I ain't really mean that, yeah.
Now they just people like funny. Remember way back she was lovely. These bitches sneaky can't cover. I got 4 hoes that went to I remember. Remember I sound dog food, no kibbles. Just to give me some.
Okay, I'm back. Front end's off. Now we can see the real problem with this bumper. As you can see, I've repaired this before where the corner is held in. And this side held up moderately okay. That side did not. As you can see, this piece is still on the truck. So we're going to ditch this. What we're going to do is we're going to bolt through in here, straight through onto this lip here. And that's going to hold it nice and tight. And then I also need to figure something out here because my bumper's cracked. It's all the way cracked through. I hit a toolbox that flew off the back of a truck a couple of years ago, and it's held together right now with zip ties. What I'm going to try to do is a little bit of plastic welding to fix that. I have a new vent for this side. All the snaps are gone off the bumper that hold that vent in, so I'm not sure how I'm going to hold it in. Maybe epoxy, I don't really know. But I'm going to go ahead and get this bumper set up somewhere where I can work on it. Alright guys, got the bumper here on the BMW. And you can see here how really beat up this bumper is. It's really trashed. You know, the whole brake duct's kind of separated. So I'm going to try plastic welding this. I've never plastic welded before. And this little cheap plastic welder from Harbor Freight. Came with like metal mesh. I guess you like heat this into, you know, you cut a little piece that you need and you heat it in, and it reinforces the plastic. It came with, I guess this is like almost like a filler rod if you're welding, but it's plastic. And then, you know, the little iron. I don't know how good this tip is going to be. I don't know, but I'll try it. I'll see if I can plastic weld this gap here. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. Should probably put a bungee across here. Get a zip tie. Okay. I'll work with that, I think. Kind of holds it actually together pretty good. I think I'm going to try and weld here first. Get these corners on there. Well, it smells like burning plastic. It really stinks. Try putting my little piece metal mesh. I assume I should probably have a tool for holding that, because it's probably going to get way hotter than I want my fingers to touch. Just trying to work it into the plastic here. I'm going to try this filler rod deal that they gave me. I'm pretty sure it has to like be the right kind of plastic, but I'll give it a shot. If you're gonna do this, just know it friggin' stinks. Like burning plastic, of course. I don't know what I expected. I guess that's a success. Let's try here. It's actually pretty good. I'm gonna keep tension on it while it cools though. Cut a little piece of this, another piece of this metal. Probably go here like that. Here's my new chrome piece. I'm dumb and I ordered the wrong side. I gotta order another one of these, but we can still put the bumper together with just this. I'll just won't have that grill there for right now. I'm gonna try to catch this lip right here with a nut and a washer. And I'm gonna basically drill and you know, get a nut in rivet, like a rivet in nut right here and here to hold that bumper in place, because there's always a gap here. If you look at a Trailblazer, every single one has a gap between the fender and the bumper. So if you have a Trailblazer, you have this problem. I got the bumper just hung up on the pieces in the middle underneath where the grill goes. What I'm doing now is I put tape here and I drilled these holes. So what I'm going to do is line it up and I'm going to mark it. And then I'm going to drill into the fender and install a rivet nut. And then bolt these guys on there. So let me change the battery in the camera, it's about to die. Marked out where my holes line up, went ahead and drilled holes. And now I'm going to make them larger with this bit to fit the size rivet nut that I'm using. And then jam some rivet nuts in there and try and make this bumper fit on here better. Drilled those holes out bigger. You can see them here and here. Now I'm going to take the tape off, put the rivet nuts in. These are the little rivet nuts. Let's put them in. Hoping to see a FedEx truck or UPS truck. Unscrew this. There's one rivet nut in there. You just take these guys and you just screw them on. And then when you squeeze this, it pulls the thread down and expands this portion, and it stays in there. Now what I'm going to do is take these bolts and I'm going to go up underneath and they'll thread in there. Let me get the right socket and all that for this. UPS, UPS. Let's take a look at these bad boys real quick. Oh yeah. Bam, we'll get into these later. Now, back to putting this bumper on. Guys. It's pretty good. Ooh-wee. Go find a Trailblazer with a gap like that. Can't do it. Guarantee. Oh, I need to grab my little corner marker light. Need this guy in here. Let's put the other headlight in. The bumper is way more secure now. It's not rattling. Should be pretty good. We just had the satisfying moment of peeling this stuff off. I'm going to go ahead and install the grill now, and then we'll take a look and see what it looks like. Probably going to have to wash the truck because it's filthy. Alright guys, Trailblazers all back together. I'm going to go get something to eat because I'm starving. And then we're going to go wash the truck and take a look at it when it's clean. Man, I'll tell you, this thing's looking good. Looking extra good right now. Let's hear this thing start up. Anyway, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe.
Remember I was really on the block like Tetris, just to give me some chip.
Surfing, rock in the parking lot, my weed lighter, like the game bubble light. I be on her mind like non-stop, yeah. Had to cut the little thought, no tomahawk. Remember smoking blunts with my friends. The seconds a couple of days, yeah, lost the lock to the fan. That's the shit got me upset, but at 8, then I finally thought, yeah, I'm smoking with side. 4-4, I'm a zombie. This a girl, but she want. These little boys think I'm cocky.
Poppin' straight like Mary Poppins. Yo, bitch, still like an ice. Smoking on killer, I eat a coffee. My bitch drip like Mary Poppins. Yo, bitch, still like an ice. Smoking on killer, I eat a coffee. Now that these people are friends. Remember way back, she was love. These bitches sneaky can't cope. I got 4 different tubs. I remember, I remember, I remember, I remember. I remember, I remember, I remember, I remember. I remember, I remember. I remember.